I'm Naomi Sneakus. I founded Firecracker Department, and this is how cool we are. We don't have one intern, we have two interns. And here they are giving me a TikTok tutorial. Gosh, I just feel like a dinosaur just even saying, I'm getting a TikTok tutorial. Anyway, I'm very excited. They've been pushing me to do this since they joined Firecracker Department. Fran, you want to go ahead and introduce yourself?
Yeah, sure. I'm Fran. I'm one of the interns. I'm from Centennial College, having a great time interning for the firecracker department, and I'm excited to get Naomi addicted to TikTok.
Oh my gosh, like I need another addiction. Thanks, Fran. Hey, Saba, you introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Saba. I'm one of the other Firecracker interns, and I'm currently in Dubai, but I go to York University. And yeah, I'm so excited to get Naomi addicted and the rest of the core members to TikTok.
It just feels like I'm teaching my mother how to use Skype, and I'm glad. You know what? This is the thing. I don't want to. I don't want to left behind. I don't want to have like, what's this TikTok thing? I don't know anything about it. I want to like keep up. So this is very helpful because TikTok is something that I know I'd like to explore. But what a great way to do it with you two. So thank you. Good news. TikTok has downloaded in this time.
Ah, that's a good
So
start.
we're rocking. So step one, download the
Get
app.
on TikTok. Okay, yeah. Step two, um, just go through the main page where you were on.
Yeah,
Yeah, not the Discover page, like the main one, the one where you saw Disney.
yeah.
Yeah, and
Home.
just
We
the
call that
first
homepage, Saba.
homepage.
Back in the
Sorry.
old days. Mhm.
The homepage. What? So the way you do it, you scroll like Instagram.
Got
So
it.
you just test
Oh
that
yeah,
out.
yeah.
Really weird algorithm right now.
Messing with people. Oh my god!
Well,
Oh my god!
a guy that just throws blankets on people in public.
Like pranks gone wrong.
Yeah. Okay, great. So now I've scrolled. What's the next step for this app?
Um, well, that was your For You page. I'm assuming you got you're like you're following people, so you can go to your following too and check out what people are doing there.
This is me. This is the Firecracker Department TikTok page.
Page.
Nice.
Yeah.
So I've got a little bit of an overview of the app. What's next, you two?
Well, I know Saba's been working hard trying to find some sounds that like mesh with Firecracker that you can lip sync to. So,
Gosh.
if you go to your account,
Mm-hmm.
and then it'll be like edit profile, and then there'll be like a little bookmark looking thing.
Uh-huh. Yep.
If you go there, it's like all the things that has been all the things that are favorited. So if you
Oh yeah. Which one was your favorite?
Mm, I think the Paramore one.
Okay. We're gonna
Yeah,
do
like
that one. You know what? It's pretty user friendly. Who's kidding who? Now, am I gonna add anything to it? Am I gonna
yeah,
add effects or text or stickers?
text,
tech.
Got
Yeah.
it.
Oh wow.
So
that's
I can do that all at the end though. Okay. This is super addicting. I am very excited. Okay. So stickers, text, effects. Just see what other effects are going on. Let's keep it simple. Let's go to next. And now I'm here. What should I add to here?
Whatever caption you want. You could be like, welcome, anything you want.
All right, here we go. Here we go. Ready?
Oh, yes.
3, 2, 1.
One post.
Ah, yes.
Baby, now you're one of us. Ain't it fun? Ain't it fun? Ain't it fun? Ain't it fun?
This has been Naomi. We've had Fran and Saba, who are our Firecracker Department interns, and we have talked the tick today. I'm very excited. Follow us and find out what more is going to happen in the exciting world of TikTok. Saba and Fran are holding the reins, and I'm enjoying the ride. It's going to be super fun. Any final thoughts, Fran?
Uh, no, this was a great experience. You were an awesome student,
Go on.
I will. You did for your first two TikToks, they were way more complicated than any of mine have been. So this is listeners, viewers, Firecracker team, you are going to love these TikToks.
It'll be fun. Anything from you, Saba?
I'm surprised how much we did not have to teach you. You did so well.
I'm so relieved.
You added like extra things we didn't even know about. And yeah, I'm excited for other core members as well to get on this and just have a full page of funny videos, trends, whatever TikTok has to offer.
I love it. Thank you both. Thanks so much. Mwah.